the first Supermoto Sunday I've ever done. You come out the wrong way. What's going on? This guy's gone the wrong way. Yo, man. Suck that down, yo. I had a vision coming out of here, popping a nice fat wheelie. Meerkat crew, today's a good day. It's a Sunday. It's a Supermoto Sunday. I've just realised. This is the first Supermoto Sunday I've ever done. This is like going to church. Me and Bowley Big 450 are off out on a romantic date. We're gonna have a barbecue. Supermoto Sunday mode. Oh, here. Yeah, what's going on with your hands?
I drilled into my finger at work.
Oh, what'd you do that for?
Well, I didn't mean to do it. Hear them.
Oh my days. You should get a plaster.
Oh nah, fuck that.
This one here is undefeated.
It is undefeated.
This is Usyk and Red Bull is Anthony Joshua. Instant grill, you got a lighter?
No, I don't smoke.
Oh yeah. Free Squifty, that's alright. Oh my days.
You're gonna have
How am I gonna do wheelies?
good. You have a good balance.
This is gonna make me scrape. Hello you.
Hello, you cunt.
Hear that kid? Ah! I've never seen someone read instructions for,
Yeah, but there's a thing for
for
it.
an
like.
instant barbecue.
Yeah, but look, there's a stand for it.
Probably saying don't burn it on the ground like we're doing.
No. Oh look.
Oh,
Look.
Mr. Engineer.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
No cheese.
That's funny. Food with a sprinkle of vibes makes it taste so good. That hit the spot. Proper. Did it hit your spot? Yeah, it hit mine. Can't be wheeling on an empty stomach. Hold on, I need to adjust my bag. Gotta adjust the bag a little bit. Adjust the armour and that. Let's go.
No kid, boy.
We'll let them go ahead. They're in our wheelie spot. They've got nothing better to do. They're gonna f us sideways.
Don't go the other way.
Huh?
Go the other way.
I don't know, do we? Yeah, they're down there in a housing estate.
Go.
Yeah, let's go. We're both legit.
Yeah.
I feel like we're asking for trouble. They looked like they had nothing to do, or they was looking for an address. Oh, I'm having visions, you know, when you just see them and your heart goes, even though you're completely innocent. Ha! They're gone. I don't think we wheelie here. Yo! Yes, Bowley, that was smooth! I feel good now, I've got a full tank of food. I was meant to say belly, a full belly of food. Let's go. So we're up to the Oi. Two stoppies. No, don't wheelie, no. Yeah, this lay-by. You gotta know the spots, and this is a spot. That's the spot. They'll be lurking in there. Yeah, he wanted a wheelie. Oh, them roads in there look perfect. Had to like disguise that off as a leg shake. Uh-oh. Nothing to see. Apparently standing up's illegal. Yeah, they're sneaky, mate. They know it's Supermoto Sunday. What's going on? This guy's gone the wrong way. Yeah, I see that. Brain dead. He come out the wrong way. Wow. Oh. I missed the race. Yeah, so nice. So nice. See you later. Oh, what a good day. That food, whew, that hit the spot. Oi. 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 Right at the roundabout. Yeah. I've got about a third of a tank. 99 is the answer to that question. Whoever asked what are the fuels like, is this petrol? Yeah. Whoever asked what's the fuel like in the UK when we get this special stuff, 99 is the answer when you go to Shell anyway. Raplife.co.uk, guys. No, I don't have breast implants, I just have body armour on. Yeah, I know where we're going. What's around here then? Oh, a little MOT place. Glass, loads of glass, loads of glass. Oh, an ice cream van. I want one. Oh, hopefully I don't get That's sketchy, so sketchy. Yo, man.
Fucking hard to find, you know.
Yeah, if you haven't been here, it's hard to find. Where's your mate?
Coming down there now. Go.
What are you doing? You trying to get some pictures and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, get a couple pictures. You can come to the strip if you want.
Wanna go with them? Always come back here, right? Yeah, we'll come now, then we'll come
Yeah?
back.
Alright, we'll do that then. Yeah, sweet. Let's ride. We met a couple of peeps, a couple of 125 riders. Stoppy. Oh. It's right. Ha! Oh, cramp! I've got tears in my eyes. Jeez. Yes, lads. Is this the Grom guy?
No.
Oh, right. Maybe they know him. Oh, Supermoto. What's going on, lads? Good, man. Some Grom work. Sheesh. put me off.
What you are?
I need to pop up on the flat. Whew.
You're a TikTok boy, innit?
YouTube boy. Are you ready, yeah? We'll go through, yeah? We'll go through that cut through. Alright, wait, in a bit. Cool, lads. Cool, man. Whoa! Hold on. Do you want to do a little weight reduction exercise? Suck that down, y'all. Thought that was a fed car. Oh my god, my dick fell out my arse. Pretty good Supermoto suck day actually. My arse is hurting. Oh, now my legs are aching. I had to shake it off, mate, for the final stretch. Let's get it. I've always wanted to lean up this. Let's see if we got it in the back. And that is going to be the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, comment down below. Every other day uploads. Subscribe if you're new with bell notifications. See you next video.